Hello guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to show you where my dad got from.
Well, it's in a box, so we'll find out in a minute. Did you know anything about this? Genuinely?
Not until it came.
Not until it came. So I'll tell you the story in a minute. Let's get opened anyway. Oh. Do you know what am I doing?
Not good bits, I'm not opening it.
Well, one thing for certain, they're not high-end top spec Nike boots, football boots, but they are pretty good. So what we're looking at is, hold up there, steady. Read it out.
Legendary 10 Academy.
FGMG.
Legend. Okay.
Multi-ground boots.
Let me see. I've not seen these yet.
Not seen them yet? Open it this way.
No, I want to see it first.
Okay, you want to see it first? Why? What's wrong with them?
Nothing. They're fine. They're fine. Anyway.
Careful, because remember, if you have to return them, be careful with the packaging. Look, guys, listen. When you open packages, do not rip the packaging or anything. Because if you rip the packaging, sorry, someone's at the door.
Go and open it then.
If you rip the packaging,
you can't return it.
If you rip the packaging, you can't return it. If you damage the packaging, if you damage the boots, you can't return them. So there's normally a good sign. A good sign of any boots when you buy them
is the
laces are tied like that. That means not been used before. And we have a quick inspection of them.
Smell them.
You won't smell anything because they're not leather, because these are pretend leather. So these are FGAG, so you can see what's the difference in FGAG. Let's get your old boots so I can
Circle studs.
Circular
studs.
Circular and shorter.
Nobody.
Right, we bought the boots. Your feet, the probably the shoes have got too tight. So the previous ones were. This one.
Worn down a bit.
These ones. These are the Puma Future Ultimate. Really good boots. Top end ones. We couldn't find any of the others. Hoping that you get your pair of these, but I couldn't find any. And generally, what's going on in places like a Level Soccer and Pro Diet Sports and a Nike store are boots that are either very expensive and this kind of AstroTurf AG kind of sole plate, or just not very good.
Yeah.
This is the difference. These are the ones you've got. We've got a video done on those, so maybe a link in the description. I doubt it, but check the previous video done on these review. They're great boots, aren't they? These are the FG AG version of these.
Yeah.
They're the same boot, both. You like these boots a lot, don't you? These are size 7. And they got a bit of they fit pretty good. And the stud pattern here, longer, sharper, chevron bladed kind of studs. Yeah. So they dig in. These dig in. These are for grass that isn't very boggy, wet and soggy, and they dig in and good. They're kind of speed like boots, maybe controlled, but it's actually quite light, aren't they? So they're good. Sole plate's pretty good. The difference is here, and the difference on this, conical rounded stud and shorter studs.
Yes.
So don't get old, because when you're playing on AG surfaces, artificial grass or AstroTurf, you don't want them to dig in, because if they dig in too much, your feet will lock. If you wore these in AstroTurf, these for example, what happens? Feet will lock. You go to turn and then pop your ankle or pop your knee.
Yep.
Potentially, or twist something or pull some ligaments. You don't want to do that. So you don't. It's better that you slip a bit and it gives a bit with these. There are some chevron kind of studs, but see how short they are in comparison. So right, we've not had these before. Tiempo Legend 10. They are now no longer leather. They don't do leather anymore. They are now this kind of false leather, and it's called
Fly
Touch. So Fly Touch. It's meant to be very good, very similar to leather, but it's just not leather because it's turned away from leather. The only one that's leather now is the Nike
Tiempo.
No, this is Tiempo. The other, the cheapest one they've got, the cheapest boot they've got, one of the cheapest boots they have. That's like a very standard kind of.
Is it the other one?
The other leather one. What is it called? Anyway, there's another one that they've got leather.
What,
but
the one with the black and white?
Black and white studs.
Yeah.
Black and white studs. But it's a very basic boot, but maybe good, maybe kangaroo leather or a good leather. So stud pattern, okay. Got a bit of flick back, pretty rigid. Not much twisting. What do you think?
Good.
On the one you had the high-end Tiempo, the pros, previously, the previous generation, these were kind of a bit more fancier, so they're drilled out a bit and they're a bit more rubbery. These are just plastic. Sole plate's not bad. They probably have a fair bit of grip. What do you think of the upper? Yeah.
I don't know. It's just fine, isn't it?
No, but what does it feel to you? Does it feel soft or pliable? Or does it feel a bit rigid or a bit plasticky?
It's like in the middle. It doesn't feel like soft, but it doesn't feel rigid either.
Yeah, so the thing is, it's not going to give it, may stretch a bit, may tighten up a bit. You've got normal tongue. You haven't got a fly knit tongue, nothing fancy. The tongue is, well, let's see what the tongue is. It's like a, it's like a kind of plasticky material.
Wait. These are like this always happens on like cheap boots, innit?
No.
Like it comes here and then it just stops and then it just.
What do you mean?
Not cheap boots, but it happens on like some boots where it just like stops here and stops the padding from all the way onwards.
Yeah, so the padded bit is here on the tongue near the front, and then the top bit is quite papery and plasticky. You got Tiempo thing there, like all of them have. You've got this swoosh. The people who do the reviews, you've got a swoosh here. The sign Tiempo on the back. What's the inner liner like?
What do you mean?
The line on the inside.
What line?
The inner liner. Come on.
You said the line.
Inner liner. I said you weren't listening. What does it feel like? It's nice and soft.
Yeah.
Like a what the kind of not Velcro. Velvety. Yeah, but quite soft. They're not amazing, but here's the thing.
But it's the summer, so hardly we're on.
You don't play much, but it depends on what team you're going to join. Here you've got a bit of a line here, crease here across the front, which you haven't got in the other one. Look.
What?
Here.
Yes, we've got down here as well.
No, you haven't. No, you haven't.
It's right there.
You haven't got a crease going across here.
It's right there, look.
No.
If you look closely. Look.
Okay, alright. How's it feel on the inside of the crease across here? I'm not sure why there's a crease across there.
I think it's been pushed down.
The inside is padded quite well.
Yeah.
So these are size 6.5. These are size 7, because you're going to probably wear these later in the season, but you're going to need them for if you have any AstroTurf pitch games, because there will be some, depending on where you're playing with, who you're playing with. If you go to the team that we're hoping you go to another team, they train on Astro every week all throughout the year.
Yeah.
And the actual pitch was AstroTurf as well, AG. So you're going to need some. Maybe then if we find that is the case, we can get you another pair, depending on how these feel. This bit here is it's nice and squishy.
Whereas,
and they say the internal plastic heel counter. Internal, not external.
I feel like this is good that is due, because if it bends, it won't like get creased or anything. You get me?
Yeah. You mean when you wear it not properly?
No, when you're like putting it on and it bends.
What's your feelings about them? They're not obviously the pro or elite, because you're paying for these ones. You're going to be paying well over £100. And these, on the Nike store, we got this from the Nike store. I bought this on, I ordered this on Sunday.
Really?
Sunday, and it's Tuesday. It came Tuesday, can you imagine? So it was already discounted, and because I've got the Nike app, I'm registered to the Nike app, there's free delivery, and there's a discount code, and it ended up being £41. Now for a pair of football boots that are fit fairly recent.
They didn't carve the circle properly.
Oh yeah, let me move the circle bit on the, look. The boots, you see that? You just notice that they're not, the little hole for the thing, the little bit they punch out for the hole is still there, you see?
Yeah.
Mad. Anyway, enough of that. Right, so £41 for a pair of football boots, and these are £41.
That is not bad.
That's not bad, is it? Considering you may not use it a lot, and like Zlatan said when he was asked what football boots you'd like to meet, he goes, what do you mean what football boots? He said, what do you like to wear? This was it J-Mike asking him?
Can't remember.
He's being interviewed, I'm sure it's Unisport, and they basically said, what boots you like to wear? He goes, what do you mean what boots? He goes, what boots you like to wear? He goes, anything. He goes, anything. And he said, yeah, don't you like specific boots? He said, do my feet do the football, basically, or something along the line? Do my feet do the football or the boots? Mm-hmm. And it's obviously the feet. So, like Pele used to play barefooted, and he's amazing. Yeah. Obviously, you can't play in Wellington boots very good, or big clunky walking boots. Yeah. But these boots seem perfectly adequate. If they break in, they feel comfortable. Actually, fine.
The sign on the side is really nice, you know.
What do you mean? The swoosh?
No, this.
Oh, this is quite cool, isn't it? This bit here.
It's like a
stitched in.
Mini design,
yeah. So you got Nike.
But I don't like how boots don't have that finger thing on it anymore.
What? Oh, the bit where you got like the tab where you can pull them on. Yeah, that would be a good idea. Yeah, the tab like a hook you could get where you can pull them on. Yeah, it makes your life a lot easier. Definitely when you want to help you get them on. So should we just get the on feet bit? Yeah. What's your first impressions anyway?
It's good.
You good? Like them?
Yeah.
Well, it's better to have these and relatively cheap because you don't know how often you're going to be playing Age. And if you do play more and I've got the money, I will buy you another pair if these are not okay, but I'm sure they'll be fine. These excellent boots. They're going to be mainly be on grass when you're playing against opposition teams. Yeah. Even if you went that team that played an Astro for most of their games, you can have away matches and you have to play on FG firm ground grass pitches.
Yeah.
Yeah. So should we do an on feet portion? We're going to try them with your True socks you got recently. So we've done a review of those, and we're going to do a video. And somebody asked, one of your subscribers asked, when you're going to do some more socks and do some more video on socks. So we have done video on socks. I can't remember the name, but we have done a video on socks, and we're going to do a review of all of our socks and what you think of them.
Yep.
At some point, all the boots you wore, season gone, and what we thought of them.
Yep.
Yeah, and costs and everything.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll get on for a bit. See you in a bit.
So we're back.
And you've got one. Just turn to the right. There's something really nice about blackout boots. They just look good. And with your True socks, we've got True socks on. These are the cushioned True socks. So slightly thicker.
See the heel?
Why can you see the heel?
Yeah, is it too low on the boot?
You can feel the heel.
No, you see like the heel bit.
You can see it.
Yeah, look right here. Look right here. I mean,
oh no, it's fine. It's just a low. Remember your other boots are mid. You know, they have that collar, basic collars. That's why you can see. That's why you can't see them, because wearing these ones, you have to see the collar. But these are low cut. These are low. These are lows basically. These are like more conventional boots. So we've got them side on, looking good. Just put it forward. There's something really nice about, I think, about blackout boots. You like blackout boots, don't you?
Yeah.
But it costs more generally. So where's your foot? Your size? Oh,
7.
Well, we've got 7.5. So that's.
What?
This is 7.5. How does it feel? Tight or is it all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Feels a bit tight.
No, fine.
You got a bit of room. Have you got more bigger room than these?
Oh no.
Same. Maybe we should have got an 8. 7.5. No, these are 7.5 I got. Maybe we should have got an 8. What do you think? Should we return them and get an 8?
No.
These are fine?
Yeah. But I still have wriggle room and it's still good.
Yeah, so a bit of space there. So I would go maybe, I don't know what they say about the other versions, for example, the Elite and the Pro version of these, because they're maybe the uppers a bit more soft, I don't know. However, I would say, and check with people like Unisport and Soccer Reviews for You, and also the other person is Boot Wizard. They're the ones I listen to, and Holt's boots are pretty good. They're pretty good. A couple of American reviewers that do some good stuff. I would say maybe consider going half size up.
What's the lines for?
What lines? It's just a design.
Oh, not for torch?
Nah, I don't think they're not on these anyway.
No. It's in the... those really leathery ones.
Which one?
That have the swooshes.
The swoosh?
No, not swoosh.
Oh, they're Copas. They're Copas. They look like...
Don't they look like this?
They look like Michelin Man.
Yeah.
But they're very cushioned.
Oh, yeah.
You don't like those anyway, I don't think. There were, I had some, but you've got to get the fit right. I remember Adidas don't seem to fit you too well. They seem a bit narrow. Right, I would probably go, because these are about a similar feel space. And that was a size 7. So for these, I thought, because you have to maybe last them a bit longer, I got you 7.5. But do you think they'll get too small for you quickly?
Do you want to know?
Huh?
Don't know. No, probably not.
Is there more room than these ones?
No.
Not any more room?
No. This has more room than this.
This one has more room?
No, this one has more room.
This one?
Yeah.
That's size 7. This 7.5.
Oh. Yeah, but this still has more room.
So how do they feel?
Fine.
Do you think you got a bit of growing room in them or not really?
Maybe. Not really.
Oh no.
Look, feel it. My toes are there. That's the edge of my toe.
We're going to have to return them. We'll have to return them. So come stand here, come show us everyone that too.
What are you showing?
So what do you think? Bend your foot forward. Is it no, bend your foot so you're flexing here. Is it locking in? Lock down good?
Yeah.
Try this one. Okay, right. How do they feel?
Good.
Comfortable? How's the tongue? Because the tongue's quite plasticky.
Fine.
How about the heel? Is the heel nice and cushioned, comfortable?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Do you think you'll feel with them wearing them compared to these? Because you love these ones, don't you? Is this a better feel than that?
No.
They're still good.
I mean, like, this is a better feel. No.
That.
Yeah.
So, but is this feel more leather-like or not really? Don't feel leather-like at all.
It just feels nice. It doesn't feel like...
Feel nice. Do you think we should just keep them?
Yeah.
I'll see how you go, or shall we return and get
Actually,
8?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe, right, we've got the cushioned socks, so maybe we could try thin socks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be my better option. Yeah, do the cushion, because we've got cushion for these to make sure they fit good. Maybe we're going to have to get thin with these. Right, okay, are we happy?
Yes.
But we're going to try thinner socks. Either go a half size up, maybe a whole size up, maybe. Maybe. Because this 7.5, I mean, this is 7, that's 7.5, and you're saying the fit's the same.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's fitment, these go a bit, these are sized a bit small.
Yes.
Okay, so are we going to keep them?
I don't know.
Thinner socks and keep them?
Yeah, thinner socks.
We'll use the Stravellis.
Yes.
Okay, go on then.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Peace out.